All right, so now we have all our panels installed. They have screws in the mid slots. You can see it's running pretty nicely already. Back and forth, which is great. So the next thing we do, typically one of two things. If it's running great already, then you can basically set the stops. So these are little stops that you can move back and forth, and it's a 5/30 seconds Allen key to basically loosen them off, and you basically just tighten it. You don't have to tighten it very hard. If you over tighten it, what you're going to do is you're going to bend the front lips of the track. So you just want it tight, but not totally squeezed down, because there's it doesn't take much to, you can see it's really hard to move, even with just a little bit of torque. So we just loosen that up, and if we want to set it somewhere other than at the end, so this side is the slam post side in this case, so we can just run it all the way to the end and leave it there. For the lower track, we're going to set this all the way back to this other side, and this one is going to be the place where that last panel stops. So depending on how wide your door opening, you may want this in a different spot. So I'm going to move it all the way down to over here, assuming that we want basically full 36-inch coverage, and put it right there. So now I slide this all the way back over, and you can see, oh look, it stopped short because this stop back here is too far over. So basically open it back up, adjust this that way. It's really quick and easy. Still not quite there. Not quite. Okay, fourth time is the charm. I do this every day. Now it probably won't be quite far enough. So now we get all the way to the end. Actually, that's almost bang on. Got it that time. All right. So you're hitting your slam post. The gate isn't too sloppy on the other side. And then you set the other stop at this end so that that last panel doesn't fly off the back side. So you can set that right to the back side, and just tighten it down, and that is all you need. So now that's pocketed, and then this will be deployed. And you see it's touching off on your slam post, which is great. So that's adjusting and installing stops.